So here we have another sample question. Last one that we did, we had letter here, letter here. Here, notice that we have letters, one on one side of the equation, one on the other side. Doesn't matter, as long as it meets the definition. So we have over here, one fraction. Everything is in that one fraction. See how the fraction bar, you got the top, you got the bottom. There's nothing on the outside of this fraction bar. So that's considered one fraction. This side is considered one fraction. And between the two fractions, you got an equal sign. So it meets the definition. So what you're going to do is you're going to draw your butterfly. This is known again as cross products. You want to draw the antenna? I could care less. Now, rewrite. So this is going to be one corner, put it in parentheses. Because it goes diagonal, this got to be in a set of parentheses since it's another corner. Then the equal sign, you'll be allowed to do the other wing. I'll do the 3 first, and then the 2z minus 1. Because I just like to distribute that way instead of going this way. Now that this is written, no more fractions. Solve your equation just like you normally would do. So 9 times z, 9z. 3 times 2z, 6z. 3 times negative 1. Make sure you're distributing to every term in this parentheses. 3 times negative 1, negative 3. Always get someone who will only distribute here and then bring down a negative 1. You got to distribute to everything in the parentheses. Now that you got rid of the parentheses, there's no like terms here. This is a coefficient variable constant. Nothing like on this side. Once you're done that, notice I got variables on both sides. So for the labeling step, this side has the higher coefficient. So by default, this has to be the constant sign. Once you label, now you know what you need to move. Coefficient, we don't have a coefficient side, so don't move it yet. Z is on the variable side, it's fine. Coefficient, there's no coefficient side, so skip it. Z, that doesn't belong on the constant side. That needs to go to the variable side, so I need to move the Z. Remember how I said the 6, the coefficient, and the Z are married? You don't separate them until the divorcing step. We are still in the moving step. So you got to move them together. The whole family got to go over here. Opposite of a positive would be a negative. Whatever I do to the right-hand side, I have to do to the left. Cancel them out. You know that this is a positive. You know that this is a negative. So different signs. Subtract. Who wins the tug of war? 9 players or 6. Team 9 wins, so you're going to get a positive 3z. What's left here? Just the negative 3. And then now that everything's on the appropriate side, constant on the constant side, variable on the variable side, now we can get rid of the coefficient. Once you're done moving, now you can do the divorcing. Separate the coefficient from the variable by dividing by the coefficient and its sign. So we're going to distribute or divide by a positive 3. So this over this, they cancel out to be 1z or just z. And then negative 3 divided by positive 3. You should remember your tic-tac-toe board. Negative divided by a positive. You're going to get a negative 1. See how proportions are going to make life easier? No fractions, and we got our answer.